Ito po yung aming routine video message.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Hey! Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Long life and good health! Hey! Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny!
Happy birthday, Sir Manny! Message, Sir Manny. Kahit alam ko, kailangan ko sunod pag-message sa'yo. Sir, gagawa ko ng bagong policy kasi employees discount dapat off-duty. Paano yung senior citizen discount? Nakalagay na. Gagawa tayo ng policy, hindi pwede pag-on-duty ang senior citizen, ha? Joke lang, Sir Manny. Anyway, thank you, Sir Manny, sa pag-guide mo lagi, sa mga pasaway sa Lord. Nakakala na yung explain, Sir Manny. Away, pati away. Anyway, buti, nag-experience 60th birthday na yan. Kahit puro smoke-free na tayo ngayon, ha? Hinabol na rin kasi Manny. Thank you, Sir Manny. Again, happy birthday. From all the department, happy birthday, Sir Manny. Happy birthday, Sir Manny!
Happy birthday, Sir Manny!
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Priority ka na. May 20% ka pa. Yay!
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! We wish you a good health and more birthdays to come. Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Yahoo! See you Friday! Ang lutong talaga ng
Thank you sa lahat at more birthdays sa
Hello, sir. Wishing you good health, happiness, and many more wonderful things ahead. Enjoy your special day. Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny. Happy birthday, Sir Manny.
Wow, birthday ka! Kami po ay team production ng Bumonte. Thank you. Isama pa tayo ng maraming taon.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Buhay ka hanggang gusto mo!
Happy birthday, Sir Manny! Look at you. Magets na begets ka pa dyan sa picture na yan. Ngayon, forgets na. Remember that photo, Sir Manny? Those were the Zumba session days natin sa Sauyo. Dati, sir, alam mo, even while you're sweaty, you have this fresh scent. Ngayon, may ibang scent ka na. Efika scent. Sir, I pray that you continue to hope in the Lord, as it says in Isaiah 40:31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. That is my prayer for you, Sir Manny. God bless you.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny. Wish ko sa iyo, patuloy kang maging liwanag ng buhay namin at ng